Shine Vlog. Today we're at Sonic, and I hope you guys are having a good time at home because I really want you to have fun. We are here at Sonic. It's at Walmart where we're at, and it's very close, and we are here. Right.
Welcome to Sonic Fairbanks. The line is not that long, so we tried.
Move it up.
And plus it's snowing, so there you go. Let's see how many minutes we can get in there. We just get that drive-thru. We just go and drive-thru.
Yeah, that's all we're just going to the drive-thru. Hopefully it won't take too long.
Welcome to Sonic Fairbanks. Our first try, since there's always a long line, so
And the first try.
and we're here closed. We'll find out.
Look at that full menu all day. You get breakfast at night, everything. The whole menu is all day. That's nice. The Sonic light. They just lit up the Sonic up there and turned on the lights.
It's cold and snowing morning in Fairbanks.
It's not that cold. It's 21 degrees. It's not
It's
that
21
cold.
degrees right now, but okay. But it seems like there's no difference. Like, so cold.
You should have been out on the shooting range with me and Larry. 9 degrees.
Mm.